of the best places to get acquainted with Public Works is in streets and roads just ahead of you. No matter where you drive or ride, a core of transportation and traffic engineering specialists has already been there.
They've studied traffic volume and patterns and determined the best way to make traffic move safer and more quickly. Through continuous analysis, they determine which roads and streets need to be widened or repaved, which bridges need to be reinforced, repaired, or replaced, and where turning or access lanes need to be added, designated, and striped. Transportation and traffic engineering is actually a system comprised of 4 primary elements: planning, engineering, construction, and maintenance. As our population continues to grow, newer, wider streets and roads are needed to handle the increase in traffic. A more sophisticated network of intersections, overpasses, and bridges is required to control and direct traffic flow. Surveyors and transportation and traffic engineers work years in advance to plan and design where tomorrow's highways and streets will run. Long before groundbreaking, they chart the course of every lane, the position of every sign, the mix of materials that lies under every foot of asphalt and concrete, the tilt and angle of every street to ensure roadway water drainage, not to mention ditches, curbing, bridges, even roadside canals, and permitting for everything. No wonder then that it takes a plan set this size to cover every detail of adding a lane just 2.5 miles long. For engineers and road builders, this is fascinating reading. Transportation engineering is also responsible for the next facet of the system, construction. This is the most visible part of the system because construction for tomorrow affects road travel today. For frustrated drivers, perhaps the best advice is to accept temporary delays now to enjoy more pleasant travel well into the future. As streets and highways take shape and bridges cross rivers and railways, every phase of construction is inspected for compliance with plans and specifications and with stringent safety requirements. Maintenance is vital to extending the life of roadways and rights-of-way. Pavements wear out. Drainage ditches become choked with vegetation. Sidewalks crack and trees blow down across neighborhood streets. In order to maintain the quality of streets, highways, roads, and waterways, towns and counties keep crews at work every day, mowing and trimming, paving, patching, cutting, and hauling, in a process that never quits. It's a lot of hard work and not a few risks.
But the men and women of road maintenance enjoy benefits beyond their paycheck. While some prefer the same job for years, others take the opportunity to move around to other crews, learning new tasks and increasing their career skills.
A vehicle operator, for example, who can handle a road grader or bulldozer is always in demand in both the public and private sector. But regardless of their job, they all share pride in what they do and how their efforts have made a difference in the roads and streets of the community.
One of the busiest places in traffic engineering is here, the signage department. Every directional sign, street sign, regulatory and warning sign is created right here.
Traffic and transportation departments are also responsible for the maintenance of traffic signals. In more and more urban areas, an advanced traffic management information system monitors traffic flow with some amazing technology. This system of cameras and remote computer systems can spot an accident or any incident that interrupts traffic flow at major intersections and redirect traffic around the scene. Other systems use control of traffic signals to keep vehicles moving in any traffic situation. Streets and roads are under constant evaluation. Public Works uses established guidelines to determine where a traffic signal is needed, or where traffic calming devices, traffic circles or roundabouts, speed bumps or humps, or just a rumble strip might be more appropriate.